Do you understand now? Why? Do you understand your purpose? If you made it up to here, this 2-2 portal been using Hathor, Mary Magdalene, Holy Grail, Holy Union from within. Do you understand why you had to face the storm before the calm? Chaos before order, because that's the essence of this universe. When it's time to spread your wings. I'm hearing fully. You've been designed for this exact purpose. I am going to help you tune into this Holy Grail sacred union. I am going to help you dissolve the distortion between your inner masculine and inner feminine due to wounds. The wounds that you have accumulated inside your DNA from eons. I'm hearing distorted polarities you carry, Karayana, inherited from your lineage. Karayana yasa, Kaya arayataream na wayasa. Ekiri ika ara rinia tara eki susuma ara ea tara uko no tuko taro ea sana eata. Ke kere suma ara ya sa. Ikara e kontrowe ikara owasanara ya sa ea for the divine feminine triesa. If you do not trust the divine masculine, it's because mostly he abandoning you, rejected you. He was not here when you needed him the most. Father, grandfather, he let you, didn't protect you. Now is the time. You're forgiving Karaya from inside, Tikire allowing this unity, and from the divine, feminine, wounded. She didn't deal with you properly. She abandoned you also when you were a child, a baby. She didn't carry you. She didn't take care of you properly. The level of miracle you carry, the level of luck you carry, the level of light, love, and truth is unmatched. Ki ikro gina ata e eri isa imiyoto ua. Kiyata a ke iyata a ke iyata a kaya saraya sa umata taraya yasumaka geri yata to kuturukuma adraya e yashikere yata to korono no watara ke yashinskuturu giyo nzuru wa amna tata e ketere iyo onono no tutu kuturukuma asra igiri iyo to onono no ku uturuku aisinske iedera iatara kama asra ayeki ata a Sora ukutu ona a esere iyo koton tutu duduru uatara amne tsetsere iya kara omata tatatara yasinske. Oh my God. I cannot make this up. She's coming back. Whoa, I cut it. A fat deck. Thank you, God. The wisdom is back. The light is back. Whoa, what a gift. She will transform your perception of the world. She will heal you completely. She is the goddess, Kundalini. What the fuck? The comeback. I said what I said. I got chills everywhere. Ini ka aso sakuntor uata. May you be blessed for eternity. Prepare yourself for what you were expecting your entire life. Your soul was craving to be unified. Get ready.